Hey, Nish here, and today I've got a quick unboxing of the Samson Q2U USB dynamic microphone. Now I'm pretty excited about this. I came across a few reviews that praise this microphone a lot, and I think hopefully it will give me some really good audio, because I've realized that actually condenser microphones like the Blue Yeti that I've been using aren't great in the kind of noisy environments that I tend to record in. So obviously I'll talk about more of that in the review, but ooh, let's get this out. As you can see, this is another Amazon warehouse product. I think I buy a lot of my tech through this because I always receive stuff that seems pretty much new. But anyway, I won't talk about that too much. Right, let's see, fairly standard cardboard box, and obviously some stuff might not be perfect. Actually, I did open this very briefly. So there's a cable first, very exciting. That's a mini USB, which is, you know, it'd be nice to see Type-C on everything, but whatever. Got a little mount for the microphone, along with a stand. So this is the stand you can see on the front. This doesn't seem like the most robust thing. It's pretty light feeling and obviously not very adjustable. Right, it's rubbish. Another cable. Ah, yes, so this is an XLR. So this microphone is also XLR, so it's quite a multifunctional microphone. You can use it with a computer or a traditional audio interface. Okay, and lastly, we've got the microphone itself, which is reasonably weighty. We've got a kind of a wind foam cover thing going on. So yeah, there's the XLR and also the USB input, and there's also headphone monitoring, which I always yammer about on, which sounds pretty good, and a nice little switch. It's definitely quite weighty in the hand, which is good, I guess, or normal, not really sure. I think that is all the stuff. Yeah, that is all the stuff. So let's see, I can stick it on here and make it look all presentable. Oh, okay, that's actually not, that's okay. Well, I don't know if it's meant to be like that, but it's quite a tight fit. We have it. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to get using this. I'll probably make some videos, maybe record some singing with it. We'll see. And I don't know, what else is there to say? Does the box have anything? So dynamic, digital analog, you can connect to a mixer or USB, which is good. Comes with a bunch of accessories, as I've shown. Headphone monitoring, very good. Well, stay tuned and subscribe for the eventual review for this, and thank you very much for watching.